కొంతమంది మాత్రం ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నారంటే మన దౌర్భాగ్యం ఏంటంటే భారతీయులకు ఉన్నది కొంతమంది పాకిస్తాన్ కి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, ట్వీట్ పోస్టులు పెడుతున్నారు సోషల్ మీడియాలో. మోడీ గారు తీసుకున్న నిర్ణయం కరెక్ట్ కాదు, యుద్ధాన్ని ప్రకటించేది లేకుండే శాంతి సమావేశాలు జరిపించాల్సిందే అంటున్నారు. శాంతి సమావేశాలు జరిపిస్తే నిజంగా, ఎందుకంటే మీరు బార్డర్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు సార్, పాకిస్తానీలు వాళ్ళు కాంప్రమైజ్ అవుతారంటారా?
See, we have been trying. You are hearing the TV news. Every day listening from the Minister of External Affairs. You are listening to this Colonel Sophia Qureshi, Wing Commander Bhumika Singh every day. You are listening, seeing the TV. Now we tried, Indian Army trying to be quiet and reduce the escalation for last few days. But our opposition adversary is trying to incite us by firing at different air bases like yesterday, Kupwara, Srinagar, Jaisalmer, Batinda. All these air bases have been attacked. They were attacked to the military installations. Even then, our troops have been quiet. Our army, air force has not been activated so much. Now, if our soldiers, airmen and sailors go for attack, Pakistan will be wiped out for the country in the globe, from the globe. Now, innocent lives of 25 innocent people have been killed barbarically in Pahalgam. As the world has noticed it, and we feel bad for it. Now we should take proper revenge and stop this terror activities from our border. Now soldiers are daily fighting. Soldiers are really fighting brave, because soldiers have left their homes, left their children, left their family. Now nothing for the soldier except for their country. Country always come first and foremost. Welfare of the soldier, citizens come next, and welfare of the self comes last. If you remember, class 6 you have read Puspakya Vilasa by Makhanlal Chakrabarti, Hindi poet. He says, what is the flower wants? Flower wants, मैं सुरवाला का मालों में गुत्था ना जाऊं. मैं नहीं चाहता हूं मैं सम्राटों का सब पर जाऊं. मैं नहीं चाहता हूं देवों के सिर पर लचाऊं. हे वनमाली, फेंक दो मेरे को उस रास्ते में, जिस रास्ते में देश के लिए शीश चढ़ाने जाते हैं वीर अनेक. ये हमारा मोटो होना चाहिए. हम सैनिकों को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. हमारा देश जब तक सैनिकों को सपोर्ट करेगा, every citizen has to do their duty. Now unless you support our soldiers on their duty, because they go to lay their life, they have placed their life for the country. Now all of us citizens have to promise that we have to stand up to our soldiers. We have to support our soldiers. Today, Hill County, our co-residents, I have been staying for last 8 hours after 35 years service in the Indian Army, retired as a colonel. Now the Hill County has performed Yagyam. This Yagyam for Mahamrityunjaya, the soldiers, really a great way. It is touching, heart touching, for us to see how the residents have done it. And really it will go great way for the protection of our motherland, lives of the soldiers. Let us pray for these soldiers to come victorious. We will defeat our adversary and have a complete victory over Pakistan within a few days. All of us should support. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.